Breaking inputs here coming in of the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray here. This is the fallout of Cyclone Nisarga here, going to the worst affected district where Cyclone Nisarga had made its landfall 2 days ago on the 2nd of June. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has visited Alibag today. Alibag, which has seen widespread destruction because of the cyclonic storm here. These are the first images of which we're getting in of the Maharashtra Chief Minister here, assessing the damage, devastation on ground, rescue relief operations now that have been on, and further requirements. Our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh is getting us those inputs here on this. Mayuresh, what more can you get us? We're still to hear from the Chief Minister, but in the relief operations, on what more is required there?
Certainly, the relief operations are right now underway. The Maharashtra government have sent 7 more teams of NDRF yesterday evening to particularly in Alibag and Raigad district. So right now, Uddhav Thackeray has visited 2 to 3 spots, 2 to 3 villages to be more precise in Raigad district who faced or experienced that devastation. Also, we have been given to understand soon he will be addressing a meeting with the concerned authorities, that is Raigad district collector, Konkan divisional commissioner, the guardian minister of Raigad, and he will try to get the sense that what exactly needs to be done and what exact help the local people want, because we have been given to understand that a lot of people, their houses have got damages, even there is a property damage. And if we talk about the crop damage in entire Maharashtra, more than 5,000 hectares land have got damaged. The crops have got damaged. So Maharashtra government is still in the process of making the spot panchnamas and making that survey and preparing the report. But Uddhav Thackeray will be certainly having a word with the concerned authorities, district collector, Konkan divisional commissioner, as well as the guardian minister for the Raigad district, and try to get the sense that what help they require, and soon that help will be given from the state government. Because if you remember, even Centre had said, PM Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah had personally called Uddhav Thackeray, and they have said that Centre is fully behind the state government, and whatever they require, whatever help they require, they can just demand for it, and Centre will give them. So what help they require from the Centre, any additional help if they require from the Centre, that also will get discussed in this meeting with the district collector officer, Konkan divisional commissioner, and as I said, the Raigad guardian minister.
All right. Well, Mayuresh, thank you for getting us those inputs here. These are images of the Chief Minister surveying the worst affected areas from the cyclone.